activity you're supposed to find, I suggest you 8 to 10 examples, also according to based on how many times you repeat on each page. So since this is an instant example, so I'm not going to do all of them. So when you're done, you can, by the way, if you need more slides, you just press here and it just give you more slides to go on and on. If you don't want it, you click here, just delete. So this is like a super easy to use tool. And if you like it so far, I strongly suggest you to play with it. And you know, you won't become proficient in it right away. And sometimes you make some videos you think which is perfect for the learning objective, but the kids have some feedback, you know, kids don't respond well, so you have to go back and refine it. And that's how we get good, right? That's how we get better on teaching. That's how we get better on being a comprehensible embedded video maker developer. I have been making this type of videos for 6 years now. In the past, I used use iMovie, but once I found about this tool, I just forget about iMovie because this is much easier to use. So when you're done, don't forget to preview it.
你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫碧昂斯。我叫碧昂斯。我叫碧昂斯。我叫麦克。我叫麦克。
Okay, just found something I need to fix because I want to repeat this question as many times as possible too. So I'm going to copy this page, duplicate, and put one question here too. So it's like question, answer, question, answer, question, answer, okay? So looks like it doesn't have any issues, so I'm going to download. Okay, so after download, it will be automatically saved on your computer drive, and you can upload it to your Google Drive or YouTube, do whatever you want, okay? So let's come back to the presentation, and I hope this short tutorial will be helpful to you. Let's talk about something, some strength about using videos, giving kids comprehensive input. Well, two things I can think about. Okay, so now it's done. When it's finishing downloading, the window will pop up here. So two things. First, flexibility to teachers. We teachers are busy. I don't know about you, but I'm a mom of 2 kids, and teaching at home can be very stressful. So I cannot always promise I can be there on Zoom teaching my 4 or 5 classes on time. So if I make those kind of videos, I give myself flexibility. I can post this work as a self-paced work on Google Classroom, and the kids can finish with their own pace. And also, one video can be used in multiple classes. So compared with traditional teaching, where I had to be there at a certain time and giving kids the structure and have to teach the same thing 4 or 5 times, it gives me more flexibility and less burden. So I can take care of myself and not burn myself, right? The second thing is we give flexibility to students. Students, they can revisit and replay the parts they like to see, depending on their individual needs. And they are no longer being bothered by the surprising technical issues from Zoom. Like sometimes their internet got cut off, or you say, Mike, what is your question? What is your answer to my second question? And Mike didn't have a response because his Zoom connection got disconnected, you know? So this type of thing, we don't have that concern to worry about. Next thing is it's suitable for learners who have short attention spans. My students, younger kids, they don't have the patience to look at me standing on the stage writing down the grammatical structure and explain to them what is what. They don't have that patience, and they have such short attention span, and they like to figure things out independently. So compared with the traditional teaching approach, they like this way better because they think they can learn better.